Thank you for tuning in to the channel once again. Back again with another unboxing. Very excited about this on today. I have the Honeycomb Alpha Flight Controls here, and we're going to crack this open. As you all know, I'm super excited about this. I've been doing flight simming for a very long time. Read all type of reviews about this, as you know. So I am very excited about cracking this open. Let's go ahead and get this unboxing done. As you can see, it arrives in this really nice, cool, minimalistic box with this white cover on top of it. So we'll go ahead, we'll pop the white cover off, and you have this blue box here, okay? In here, real nice, has the honeycomb right there on it. Everything looks great. So we'll go ahead and we'll start opening this up and crack it open. Boom, and there you go. First and foremost, little cable and the manual, right? So we got the manual pop in there, little cable, nothing too crazy. USB-C to USB connector. There's the base of the unit right there, so we can click, take that off to the side. That's what the unit will go right into. And here we go. There she is in all her glory, looking beautiful. Love it. Check it out. Let's go ahead and get it up out of here. Let's go ahead and pull a bag out here. As you can see, there's the controls. Beautiful, feels amazing. Just holding it like that. Let me go ahead and just get the whole unit out the way. What's left in the box, as you can see, just the clamps. So the clamps that'll clamp it down to the table. Got one there, you got another one right here. So we'll go ahead, move that box out of the way. We can finish unpacking the actual yoke right here. Very excited about this. Check this out. This is so beautiful. So excited. But there it is. There's that base unit.